Oh, how's everyone doing today? Welcome to MTG Cards and Reviews. We're going to go ahead and open up 3 more draft booster packs though for Magic the Gathering's Innistrad Crimson Vow. I picked these up at a newly discovered local gaming shop near me though, and so I plan to make use of that opportunity here when I can. To both help a local gaming shop though, and also be able to pick up packs though at a much more reasonable price, I think, than some of my other options though. At least without having to wait for those packs to arrive in the mail like boxes though. So we're gonna go ahead and open up these and see what we've got. Take a look at the cards though, and we're gonna stroll through them though. I don't know about you guys though, but this is my first opportunity to check out the cards in a more direct option though. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what we've got here. A Heron Blessed Geist, Kaseg Flame Breather. Yeah. Alright. Got a little flame breathing going on. Cradle of Safety. Wonder if this is like blue, Circle of Blue Protection though. Got Flash. Enchant creature you control. When Cradle of Safety enters the battlefield, enchanted creature gains hexproof until end of turn. Enchanted creature gets +1/+1. Okay, not quite like the old Circle of Protections. We got a Vampire Slayer, Crushing Canopy, Run Tide Gargantuan, a Zombie Kraken. Okay. Snarling Wolf, Spore Crawler, Fungus, Honored Heirloom. And we're going to pause here, or at least just stop for a moment. I'm going to keep talking here. I'm going to check something real quick though. Just one